In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export a customer or supplier list from Xero. If you're managing contacts in Xero, having a clean export of your customers or suppliers can save you a lot of time for reporting, mail merges, or backups. In a few clicks, you'll have a spreadsheet you can sort, filter, and share with your team. Make sure you're signed into the correct Xero organization and that your user role has permission to view contacts. From the Xero dashboard, start by opening your contact records. Look for contacts in the main navigation and click it. This takes you to the central hub where all of your contacts live, grouped into helpful views so you can work with just the people you need. Next, switch to the customers view. Selecting customers filters the page so you're only looking at your sales side contacts, which keeps your export focused and tidy. This is especially useful if you want to run marketing lists, reconcile account details, or analyze customer activity without mixing in suppliers. Now move to the top of the page and find the 3 stacked dots, sometimes labeled as More Options. Click those 3 dots to reveal the available actions for this list. This menu is where Xero keeps batch tools for working with the contacts you're viewing, including the option to pull your data out to a file. Choose Export from that menu. Xero will prepare a download, typically a CSV file, containing the customer details you're currently viewing. Your browser will save it to your default downloads location. If you don't see it right away, check your browser's downloads panel or your computer's downloads folder. Open the exported file in your preferred spreadsheet app. You'll find key columns like contact name, email, phone, addresses, and other profile fields. From here, you can sort, filter, cleanse duplicates, or create pivot tables to analyze your data. If you need to share the list, consider saving a copy in your team's shared drive and removing any columns you don't want to distribute. If your goal is a supplier list, the process is the same. Work from the supplier's view in contacts and use the same export option. Keeping customers and suppliers exported separately makes downstream analysis much clearer. A couple of quick tips. If the export doesn't start, confirm you have the right permissions and that your browser isn't blocking downloads. If characters look odd in your spreadsheet, set the file encoding to UTF-8 when importing. And because contact data is sensitive, store and share the file securely. That's all there is to it. Open contacts, view customers, use the 3 dots, and click Export. You now have a clean, portable from Xero.